Hi there, my name is Amanda Hill, and in this video we're going to go through some of the things that you can look forward to learning or becoming more acquainted with on the Get Started with Selling on Amazon course. Now, right now, you're probably using Amazon for everything that you want to buy. So understanding how and why and when people buy is an integral part of any e-commerce business. However, you also need to know what tools you have to actually help you do it. So let's just take a peek at some of the things that are in the beginner training. So firstly, there's a lot of live training, basically once a week, every 6 weeks or more, if we have some special things to share with you. You will actually be going through stuff with real people like you. And you can ask questions and do whatever in your own way. It'll also be recorded, and you're going to have a workbook that you can go through. Now, hiding in there, and this is the workbook that we're currently updating to add everything else in it, you'll find embedded videos, and you'll also have a group to go and help people. So what else is going to be in it? Well, let's just take a little nose further down. There you can see one of the videos that's embedded. So there's a bonus part to this. We know that if you understand your target audience, that everything that you do will be so much simpler. So at the end of this course, we've added your ideal customer, and that's a workbook in itself. However, it's at the back of here so that you can do it in your own time and understand who your customers are. This will make your advertising so much easier for you. So let's just go past all of this little lot and see what will you learn. Well, that's down to you. However, we will be covering these topics. Getting started, what you need to do and what you need to get. The different types of selling accounts, UK or global selling setups. Getting ungated. Now, you probably don't even know what that word means right now, but believe me, you'll probably need to do it to sell successfully. And that's for a brand or a category that you wish to sell on. The fees for selling, really important. You need to know you're going to make some money. Now, the store name in itself, you might think, yeah, but I'm going to call it. Actually, you might have no idea, but there are policies behind it. And we're going to go through all of that with you. We'll also show you the selling portal and where things lie, so where you can go and look for things later on. We'll show you how to disable overseas selling, should you so desire, and you probably will when we tell you why. Where and how to set up your shipping, and how to change things, and why. Some Amazon apps and other software that you'll probably need. How and where to get help when you're left adrift on your own, although you're never really on your own. Maybe what you can sell and what you can't sell. There are plenty of rules on Amazon. What's Hazmat? You probably don't even know what the word is. So we'll go through it with you and tell you the differences in it. And the difference is in how your business might operate should it actually include these items. What are IP claims and how you can handle them? This is an odd one. The sizes of goods to send into Amazon. You'd kind of think you can send anything in, but you really can't. Although some things you can send in, you probably shouldn't, given the costs involved with it. Fulfilled by Amazon or fulfilled by merchant, or maybe a hybrid of the two. So you can't be everywhere at any time. However, there are reasons why you might want to do both. There are also times when you want to put items together and create bundles. So we're going to show you how to do that. Now, most items that sell on Amazon come with a barcode. Most of these are going to be from GS1, and they're going to be linked to the brand that owns them. So we're going to show you what you can do if you don't have those, and if you want them for your own brand, how to get them. Then you're going to need to know how to ship into Amazon, and any prep requirements or guidelines that you need to follow. And of course, best practice and easy ways to do things. Believe me, we've done it always. You do need to know the cost of sending goods in, and you need to factor it in. You need to understand merchant fulfilled shipping requirements and quick ways that you can make it happen for yourself, and set up some ways to do it that will actually make it easier for you to have a successful business. Now, this is important: how not to get banned. There are many, many ways to get banned on Amazon. Believe me, we've been there. Not deliberately, although I don't think anybody ever deliberately sets out to get banned. We'll suggest to you ways you can find goods to sell if you're already not a brand that is selling things, and how to look and see what other things are already selling for something you're intending to make, bring in, or repackage. You probably have no idea what the buy box is, and we'll give you an understanding of what it takes so you are the person that has it. We'll suggest some ways for savvy selling for smaller types of items, and also for low cost things that you might want to sell, but on the face of it don't look like they're profitable. Now, with any business, reports are absolutely the thing. You need to be on top of what is working, what is not, tracking everything that's going, and seeing what you can improve on so that you can grow your business and make profitable decisions for it. We'll reveal where seller performance metrics are and what you really do need to stay on top of. And for those of you who have your own brand, we'll discuss brand registry and what you need to do. And of course, there are many extras if you have your own brand on there as well. Now, there will be times when other sellers will come along and try to bully you. I know that sounds a bit like play school and childish behaviour. Sadly, it does happen. So we'll show you how you can report that, and of course, any other issues that you have on Amazon. It isn't the easiest route to follow. How and when you get paid is, however, one of the most important things. And with a brand new account, it's not going to be plain sailing, but we'll show you what you can do to help that. And of course, we're going to help you with suppliers that we like for some of the things that you're going to not want to live without. So there you go. That's an awful lot of things that we're going to do over 6 weeks with a group and videos and a workbook. So you can go from absolutely nowhere to scaling your business. We look forward to seeing those of you who wish to join this journey and join the others that have hit quite high figures. We're talking 6 figures for many of them, just by following some of these simple processes. Now, as with everything, Amazon is always changing, and there's always things you need to learn, strategize, and do. However, we don't have forever to do it in this course. We're just helping you get going. But what we will be doing during December is helping those who want to get started on the 5th of January to get onboarded first and do all the setup stuff so you're ready to rock on the 5th of January. So hopefully that's helped you understand what we're going to talk about. And if you've got any questions, feel free to get in touch.